Okay babes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really have fallen in love with the glueless units. Like, really fast, easy, effective. All you have to literally do is snap on an elastic band on the inside of your wig and literally put it on. For the flaps, to get those to lay down, you can always just use some Gotta Be Glue spray if you want. If you want to do sprayless, then of course just use like a mousse, which as you guys can see here, I have Shea Moisture because I can't find my cream of nature. But nevertheless, you can always just use a mousse. Then with your foam wraps, which I have here as well, they're like falling all over the place, but you can get these from like Walmart. I'm not sure about Target, definitely CVS and any beauty supply store, or always check Amazon. Literally wrap your hair down and you can go. So if you guys are not already, now is a good time to go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you do not miss another video. I'm really loving this hair, you guys. It's extremely soft. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the details on the hair will be listed down below. I like it. This lace is super transparent, y'all. Look at this. Boom. Like, lace is super duper transparent, super thin. So yeah, this is 2 thumbs up from me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye babies.